morning everyone. I am Dr. Nitika Vashni Bansal, laparoscopic surgeon from Bhopal. Today we are going to speak something about endometriosis. What is endometriosis? Endometriosis is overgrowth of the endometrial lining outside the uterus. Usually जो endometrium होता है वो uterus के अंदर lined होता है. So when this endometrium grows more, it goes extend its beyond the uterus. It can go to the ovaries, to fallopian tubes, or it can go beyond the pelvic organs also. मतलब हमारे अपनी यूट्रस और बच्चेदानी को छोड़ते हुए अन्य ऑर्गन्स पे भी चला जा सकता है. Usually the patient complains of pain in abdomen, severe pelvic pain, irregular menstrual problems, or it can also have infertility. These are all the main common symptoms of endometriosis to the patients. अब बात ये आती है कि हाउ इज़ दिस ट्रीटेड. सो द ट्रीटमेंट इज़ बेस्ड अपॉन द साइट ऑफ एंडोमेट्रियोसिस. अगर एंडोमेट्रियोसिस यूट्रस के ओवरीज या फिलिपिन ट्यूब्स में है तो यू कैन गिव अ हार्मोनल ट्रीटमेंट, और इट कैन ऑल्सो वी नीड अ लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी फॉर इट. इफ़ द एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज़ ऑन द स्कार साइट, मतलब जैसे जहाँ पर ऑपरेशन हुआ है उस स्कार साइट पे भी एंडोमेट्रियोसिस हो सकता है. सो दैट शुड बी क्लियर्ड ऑफ और कैन बी रेक्टिफाइड बाय हेल्प ऑफ लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी. Few days before, I want to discuss one of my case. Few days before, a patient came to me with severe pain in abdomen. She had a previous cesarean section done 2 years back. Since then, she was having severe pain in abdomen. So she had an ultrasound done, and there it showed endometriotic tissue or something, some tissue of about 5 to 6 centimeter over the stitch line over the abdominal wall. So we did a diagnostic laparoscopy and we saw, हमने दूरबीन पद्धति करी और देखा कि we saw a higher tightened mass or the tissue seen over the scar site, over the abdominal wall. So with the help of the laparoscopic surgery, we removed the endometriotic tissue over from the endometriotic scar. Then we did also one case of bilateral dermoid cyst in which the patient had severe endometriosis and severe pain in abdomen. Laparoscopic surgery for dermoid cyst removal was done and followed by a hormonal treatment of dinogestrol 2 mg 1 OD for 3 months. By these surgeries or these hormone treatment, the patient is cured beautifully with the endometriosis.